I'm going to show you how to set up free email for your business in your Gmail and Google Domains account. The first step to setting up your custom email on your custom domain name is to go to domains.google.com, log in, find the domain that you want to add the new email to, click Manage on that domain. On the sidebar, click Email, scroll down to Email Forwarding, and add an email alias. My alias is going to be demo for today, and evodynamic.gmail.com is my normal Gmail address. And then I click Add. That sets it up with my domain. Next, I need to go to myaccount.google.com, click Security, scroll down, find App Passwords, log in again to your Google account. Whenever you're creating passwords, you need to log in again for security. I'm going to give this app password a custom name. This is an alias for Gmail. And I'm going to go even further. And I'm going to generate a password. I'm going to copy this password. I'm going to go to my Gmail account, click the gear up here to open settings. I'm going to click See All Settings, click Accounts and Import. I'm going to look for the section Send Mail As. I'm going to add another email address. You can change the name for this email. Here I'm going to put in demo@sime.me. That's the new email I'm setting up on my domain. I'm going next step. I'm going to set up the Gmail SMTP servers, smtp.gmail.com. Change the port to 465. I'm going to use my regular email address, and that password that I just created I'm going to paste in here and add account. You can click on the link in the confirmation email. So I'm going to close this, go to my inbox, got this new email, and I'm going to click on this link to confirm my request. Confirm that I want to send email as demo@sime.me. Confirm. Now I can go back to my Google account. I click Compose, there it is. I click on there. Now I've got demo@sime.me as a from address that I can now send email to. This will also show up and receive email in my same Gmail box. So that is how to set up a Google Domains email using your Gmail for free. This lasts until you get so much email traffic that you need to upgrade to a paid account. And we can help you set that up in Gmail, or we prefer Microsoft and Microsoft Teams. Thank you for spending time with me today, learning how to set up a free business email within your Gmail account.